Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is August the 4th, 2022. I would remind everybody that when you're in this proceeding, it's like you're in the courtroom. No chewing gum, no hats, no talking while we're in process. The court's going to call attorneys first. I'll ask the attorneys to put their hand up, and I will recognize you. As soon as I call you attorneys, you are free to go and confer with the state. Then I'll call the rest of the docket. Please mute yourselves until I call on you so that we don't have interference with our proceedings. First of all, Valerie Headland, good morning to you. What is the case number?
Morning, Your Honor. The case number is for Emmanuel Hernandez, 663576.
6635, that's on page 2. And Emmanuel Hernandez, are you present?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
He was present in the court. I believe that is him trying to log on the first page right underneath Linda. That is him, Judge. He was in the courtroom. That's him. I see him on the screen.
All right, thank you.
iPhone.
Great.
And Ms. Headland, what are your wishes for this morning?
I'd like to talk to my client, but I'd like to confer first and then be put in a breakout room with my
You are
client.
number 1 to confirm, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jesus Lopez.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I'm here on case number 640631, Enrique Salazar.
All right, he's been reset 11 times. Mr. Enrique Salazar.
He might be in the courtroom.
Enrique Salazar, is he in the courtroom, Ms. Grabowski?
He is in the courtroom, Judge.
Thank you. And Mr. Lopez, what are you going to do this morning? It's already been reset 11 times.
I would like to confer with the state. I've been waiting on a video.
All right, you are scheduled to confer. Thank you. Mario Gomez.
Morning, Judge. I'd like to confer with the state. This is on Armando Zertucci, case number 684520.
684
520.
520, the fourth page. And that is Armando Zertucci.
Correct.
Armando Zertucci, are you present?
I don't believe he is, Judge. And I, if possible, after you're done with the docket, I would like to speak to you possibly in a breakout room.
As of right now, he's a failure to appear. Make sure you get him to report.
I will.
You are scheduled to confer.
Okay.
Let's see, Floyd Rivera.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
We're on
Floyd. How are
page
you?
2.
I'm sorry?
We are on page 2. Audrey Garcia, case number 662079.
Six 662
079. We're on page
079.
2.
Audrey Garcia Alvarez, are you
Yes,
present?
she should be on Zoom, Judge.
I see her on there. She's muted, but that's okay. Audrey, she apparently shows Audrey Garcia. My document
Yes.
says Garcia Alvarez.
Yes, sir. And Judge, on this case, Judge, this is a transfer from County Court 2. It was in limbo for a long time. I would like to confer with the state, and then I would like to get a reset so that I can have her come into my office and look at all of the stuff on her case, Judge.
Well, let me deal with your objection to the transfer first. It's my understanding that you have an objection to being transferred out of County Court 2.
No, I don't, Judge.
Are you sure?
No, never had. But we're glad we're in County Court 5.
All right.
No objection from the defense, Your Honor.
We'll reset you 30 days and give you time to get together with your client.
Okay, appreciate you, Judge.
All right, take care.
Okay, hey, Judge, on this case, if you could send me to rooms that I can talk to the assistant DA on this case. All right, appreciate you, Judge.
We'll get you,
Thank you.
we'll show you as conferring then.
Yes, sir,
Lori,
appreciate you, Judge.
once
All right,
you're
take
done,
care.
I'll give you a reset date once you're done.
Oh, all right, Linda, appreciate it.
Huh?
Thank you, Linda.
Let's see.
You're welcome.
Attorneys. I don't see any more hands. Is that the only attorneys we got, Linda?
Yes, sir, for right now.
Alrighty. Then I'll call the rest of the docket. Attorneys, as I said, you're free to confer. Case number 571394, State versus Adam Ciliero, attorney, William Davidson,
Judge, that's gonna be a plea at 1 o'clock.
plea at 1 o'clock. Very good. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
598912, State versus Christian Lozano, attorney, Melissa Christian.
David Garcia is gonna be in her place and he's in the 144th right now.
All right. And what about Christian Lozano?
Michelle,
Miss-
he's not in the courtroom?
There's nobody here by that name.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
Mr. Lozano is shown as failure to appear. We'll see if he checks in. 610243, State versus Olga Hughes, attorney, Henry Ridgway.
I don't think Henry Ridgway is practicing anymore, so I need to see about that.
All right. And what about Olga Hughes? Ms.
No
Hughes, are you
answer.
present?
No answer, Judge.
No answer. Ms. Hughes is a failure to appear. 623367, State versus Amanda McDonald, attorney, Rochelle Acevedo.
That's gonna be a plea, Judge, and Mangolo, right underneath, is also a plea at 1.
All right, 1 p.m. 632924, State versus Misty Mangolo.
A plea at 1, Judge.
Gotcha. Then we have 639005, State versus Brianna Samaniego, and that's Anton Hayek III.
No response, Judge.
The defendant is failure to appear. Mr. Hayek has no response. Going on to page 2. Six five three 517, State versus Eric Olivares, attorney, Kenneth Bell. Mr. Bell is no response. The defendant, Eric Olivares.
I see his
Failure
name
to-
on there, Judge, but he's muted.
I'm sorry,
I see his name on there, but he's muted, Judge.
Eric Olivares. I see your forehead.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm here.
There
Okay,
you are.
I'm sorry about that. Yeah, like I had it on mute.
That's all right. Good morning to you.
Hello. Hey, sir.
I thought
Hey,
I
good
could
morning.
recognize that forehead anyway. All right, you heard from your attorney.
No, not yet.
All right, well, we'll see if he shows up. Stick around. 660640,
Okay,
State
thank you, sir.
versus 660640, State versus Mauro Resendiz Martinez, and that's Julie Pollock.
he's.
I
Unmute
see
yourself,
Mr.
sir.
Resendiz Martinez. He's present. Ms. Pollock is no response. You heard from her, Linda?
No, I haven't, sir.
All right, we'll wait for her. Stick around, Mr. Resendiz Martinez. 663460, State versus John Burwell, attorney, Adrian Perez. John Burwell is a failure to appear. Adrian Perez, no response.
Sir, Mr. Burwell is here present in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Burwell. Are you in touch with your attorney?
I spoke to him, it was in days past after it was reset while I was here, but present where he didn't attend, and we have had no further communication. I've attempted 2 times to contact him.
All right, we'll see if he shows up and we'll try to track him down. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me. 663-626. State versus Skylar Polk. Attorney Brian O'Donnell.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good
Mr.
morning, Mr.
O'Donnell,
Polk.
Mr. O'Donnell's in County Court 12, Judge.
All right, but he knows he's got a client here. We'll wait for him.
Yes, sir.
663-840. State versus Stephen Buttram. Attorney Rebecca Brett.
Yes, sir, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
I'm present as well, Judge. We'd like to confer on this case.
All right. You are scheduled to confirm, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
6-6. Thank you, young fella. Appreciate you being here. 6-6-4-4-4-3. State versus Ryan Bullard, and the attorney is Simon Rawls.
Yes, sir, I'm here. And I believe my client is here. We wanted to request a reset. I just got reassigned to the case and I wanted a little time to look over the evidence.
We'll give you 30 days, and that's it.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Maybe we be excused?
You are both excused. Thank you both for being here on time.
Simon,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
gonna be
Thank you.
September 15th.
September 15th. Thank you.
Mhm.
And on page 3. 665-752. State versus Laura Gully, and the attorney is Luis Martinez. Is he still in trial?
I haven't heard anything, Judge, about today.
Laura Gully? She's
I
failure
see
to
Laura
appear.
speaking.
I know, I do too.
I'm here.
Ms. Gully, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Are you in touch with your attorney? He's been in trial all week.
Yes, I think he's still out of town. I think I talked to Kendra this morning or yesterday and this morning, and she said that she was going to call in to let you guys know.
All right, well, we'll need to spank that lady because she didn't call in that I know of.
Okay.
Patricia, let's give it a 2-week recall. I'm sorry, Linda.
It's okay. August 18th.
Ms. Gully, you are to
Yes, ma'am.
return on August 18th. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
672-790, State versus Guillermo Garcia Obregón. Attorney, Luis Martinez, same thing there. Mr. Garcia Obregón, are you present?
You're muted, sir.
There he is. I see him. That's
Okay.
good. Mr. Obregón, you're to come back in 2 weeks.
August 18th.
Do you understand? I know you're muted right now, but that's all right. Just nod your head that you know the
There
date.
he is.
Buenos
There you
días.
are. August 18th, you come back.
18. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. You're excused. Ms. Hedlund, did you want to report already?
Yes, sir. Could I be put in a breakout room with Emmanuel Hernandez, please?
Ms. Flores, would you see to that, please?
Yes.
673377. State versus John Costello. And that's Jaime Cavazos is the attorney. I see
Yes,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Costello.
Mr. Cavazos is at a federal hearing. He'll be here after that. Valerie, go back to 1. I've already instructed your client to go to 1.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Costello, stick around. Your attorney will be here.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
676627. State versus
Yogurta Gamazain.
Gomezian.
Mizan.
Gomezian is Is he, did you say he's there?
No, sir, I was just helping with the pronunciation, but he is not here.
Okay, tell me again, what was the first name?
Yogurta
Yogurta,
Judge,
Gomezain.
prima hermana to your flaca.
Sí.
Okay,
Judge, that one's set for a plea at 1,
plead one, you got it. Thank you.
and the next one as well.
Okay. Very good. 678-247, State versus Jonathan Sustaita Cruz, attorney, Luis Martinez. Jonathan Sustaita Cruz, are you present? I don't see that person present.
Mm-mm.
Failure to appear. 679-417, State versus Daryl Bearfield, attorney, William Simmons. Daryl Bearfield,
No response.
failure to appear. William Simmons, no response. 679-474, State versus Dustin Bryce, attorney, Sonny Middleton.
He is present in the courtroom, Judge.
And
Mr.
Miss-
Brish.
And Miss Middleton will be late, Judge.
But she knows he's here.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Bryce, your attorney knows you're here. She will be in here after a while. Going on to page 4. 683-152, State versus Jasmine Harris, pardon me. Attorney, Michael Young.
Your Honor, this is Rebecca Brett. That's going to be my case.
Rebecca Brett.
And Judge, she was on the Zoom just now. She just dropped off. So I'm sure she's trying to reconnect.
She was, I did see her, Judge.
All right, well, I'll mark her present. You wanted to confer, you said?
Yes, I'm going to confer on this case, Your Honor.
All right, you are scheduled to confer.
Rebecca, you
Six-
can go back to 5.
688-324, State versus Misael Gomez Velasquez, no attorney. Misael Gomez Velasquez,
No response, Judge.
failure to appear. 688-336, State versus Carol Lopez, attorney, Michael Collins. Carol Lopez,
No response, Judge.
I think that's the one she's trying to reply, Judge. She's under cricket icon 3.
Oh, okay, there she is.
all right. Good morning to you, ma'am. You're muted right now. Can you unmute? There's a button on your computer that says mute and unmute.
There she is, Carol Ann Lopez, there it is.
All right, well,
Not in that one, please.
have you heard from Michael
Okay.
Collins, your attorney? There you are. Good
Yes,
morning.
I was able to reach him this morning, sir.
Okay, so
Thank
he
you.
knows you're here.
Yes, sir.
I'm marking him no response at this time. We'll wait for him to show up. Stick around, please.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. That's the docket for this morning. Now, you said you had add-ons or no, these are
No, those are for pleas this afternoon.
Mendiola, you said?
already. Anyone
name.
need to report attorneys?
Date of birth.
I see Jesus Lopez. What you got,
I'll have to
Jesus?
check and I'll get back with you.
Yes, Judge, I have conferred with the state. There's been an agreement that my client will apply for PTD. He does have a previous DW on his record, but the state has made that recommendation that he still be accepted into the PTD program. So we want to give that a shot.
All right, I'm gonna give you 45 days at this point. I'm starting to run out of time on my personal judge's docket. Reset 45 days. Let's see if you can get it done.
September 29th, Jesus.
September 29th. And my client is in the courtroom. I'm trying to give him a call, but I think because he's in the courtroom, he's not answering my phone calls.
All right, let's Ms. Grabowski,
Yes, Judge, I did inform him about the court date, and I did tell him right now that his attorney is trying to get a hold of him. So as soon as he steps outside, I'll have him make that call.
There you go. You got it, Mr. Lopez.
Got it. Thank you very much, Judge.
You're welcome. You're excused.
Thank you.
Let's see, Jasmine Harris.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's see. What page is she on?
Top of page 4.
Top of page 4. Jasmine Harris.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Brett, your attorney, Ms. Brett, is here. She's conferring. You stick around, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Mario Gomez.
Hi, Judge. I've conferred with the state. Would it be possible to talk to you in a breakout room about the situation when you have a chance?
You want me in the breakout room? Woo.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me finish the docket momentarily. Stick around and I'll have,
Okay.
Are you in do you have right now, do you have a breakout room?
Well, I was in a breakout room with Kimmy, and he said he would gladly, join us when we do this.
All right. Anybody else need to talk to me right now?
Judge, this is your bailiff.
Yes, ma'am.
On page 4,
Yes.
you have case number 688324.
Yes, ma'am.
Misael Gomez, he did appear. He just walked into the courtroom, Judge.
All right, Mr. Gomez, can you hear me?
Spanish speaker, Judge.
Señor Gomez, ¿me escucha?
Sí.
Este,
And Your Honor, this is Shannon Locke. I'm present for him via Zoom.
All right. Let's see, Misael Gomez Shannon Locke.
Okay.
Is that with an E at the end?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay. And you are present for him. He is present. What are you going to do on this case this morning?
Your Honor, it's a brand new case. We're still going through the discovery. If we could get it reset for a pretrial, we would appreciate that.
We reset you for 30 days. That should be
Excellent.
enough time.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay. Shannon,
You-
I'm gonna give you
Mr.
on
Locke,
September
are you,
15th.
Mr. Locke, are you bilingual?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, very good. You learn something every day.
Cada día, cada día.
Sí, señor. Misael Gómez Velázquez, su abogado está presente y él va, quiere, you wanted to talk to him?
I can talk to him briefly, Your Honor. That's fine.
Okay, are you going to confer?
Not today, Judge. We're still
Okay.
going through the discovery so that we can do that intelligently.
Señor Gómez Velázquez, su caso se está posponiendo. Su abogado mantenga comunicación con él y va a ser como 30 días. ¿Entendido?
Okay.
Shannon, you heard me right?
Yeah. El 15 de septiembre, señor.
Okay.
Están libres los dos.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anton Hayek III. Please
Good
note
morning,
my,
Your Honor. I've
please
already
note my
terrorized the
enunciation,
district court.
Anton.
Pardon, sir?
Please note my enunciation when I refer to the third. Anton, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good today. I'm happy. How about yourself?
I am hanging in there, guy. What you got, Anton? Your client is not here yet that I know of.
No, Judge, I was looking at it. It's a employee theft. She signed a confession. It's a 2019 arrest. I mean, I like to hear from the state, I guess.
Well, this is a pretrial setting.
Oh,
I'll put you down to confer. You feel free to do so.
okay. Can I get a breakout room?
I'm sure Linda can find
Oh,
one for
there
you.
it goes. I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Floyd Rivera, ¿qué pasó?
how do I change your name?
Okay,
What you got, Floyd?
okay, sir, I've talked to the state and we're gonna put something together for them on a obstruction of a highway request. And I need a reset on the case, Judge.
And that's which case?
That is on case number 662079, page
Yeah,
2.
I thought I reset that for you for 30 days already.
Yes, sir.
9:15, Floyd.
Okay, 9:15, all righty. Well, I appreciate you, okay?
Take care.
All right, it's good seeing you, Judge. See you, Linda.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. All right. Anybody else need to check in? Ms. Hedlund, you, yes, ma'am.
For the third time, Your Honor, I'm sorry, I'm a pain today. Mr. Hernandez is willing to accept the state's offer, so I just need a plea date for us.
Okay, how about 17th or 18th? August.
Let's see. You're doing them in the afternoon, Linda, correct?
Correct.
Wednesday, the 17th will work for me. Will that work for you, Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so the 17th at 1 o'clock, okay?
Okay. Thank you. May we be excused, Your Honor?
You are excused. You and your client both.
Thank you. Have a great day, you
Thank
guys.
you, Your Honor. Have a great one.
Bye.
You guys take care. Anybody else need to check in with me? Excuse me. All right, then the court will be in recess. Somebody wanted to get into,
Mario, Mario, go back to 3 and I'm gonna put Judge in there with you.
Okay.
all righty.
There you go, Judge.
Hey, it's so crazy. I don't even see him on here and it started 30 minutes ago. So, it's still getting into the thing.
Mr. Burwell, if you could please remove the cap. Mr. Burwell, if you could please remove the cap. Zoom is still considered live courtroom. Thank you.
Any attorneys need to report? All right. Court will be in recess, folks. Linda Flores. Ms. Flores.
Hello, I'm just calling to check if someone checked in, one of the defendants on the case today.
What is your name, ma'am? What is your last name and first name?
It's a Dustin Brish, it's 679-474. I'm actually his cousin, and I'm just calling to see.
It's Dustin Brish.
Dustin Bridge was in the courtroom, Judge. If you can give me you can give me a call in regards to that case. I'd rather not discuss that over Zoom, so I can give you the status of that case real quick.
Grabowski, do you
Regards
want me to put you in a breakout room? All three of us go in a breakout room, or are we okay there?
Linda would have to put us in a breakout room because I don't have access to that.
Okay, yeah, I can put you in a breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
You're
And
welcome.
Judge, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're a co-host.
Beg your pardon?
I said, Grabowski should, she's a co-host.
Linda, on that iPhone that says admit, please wait on that admit for that iPhone. On allowing.
iPhone? I don't see iPhone.
I see it. We'll just leave it be for now.
Oh, leave it. Okay, I see
Yeah,
it.
just leave it.
I get it. Okay, sorry.
No, it's fine. So I'm gonna put, I guess, Judge, myself, and Linda in the breakout room.
Me, Michelle.
Yeah. Oh, you too, Grabowski. I'm sorry.
You can go to 3, guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Where did Grabowski go? There we are. Sign to room 3.
Judge, you're already assigned to 3, so just go back into 3.
Why am I going back into 3 now?
They need to talk to you, Grabowski and Delco.
Okay. So how do I go back in there?
You should have a,
I just have me, my mute, and my video, and that's all I've got.
that's all you got. You don't have the blue button to,
Nope. Not right now.
all right, hold on.
You done lusted me.
You did. I don't know. You should be able to just go back in.
I agree. Okay, breakout rooms.
Yeah,
Join breakout room 3.
yes, yes, go to breakout room 3. Hi, Mr. Bell.
Hey, how are you doing this morning? Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. I need to get into the breakout room with the prosecutor.
Okay,
Eric,
okay, let me put you in line. One moment.
thank you.
You're welcome. Marty.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, good morning. Did you get the docket for, please? I have maybe two. I'm gonna do another one, 2 or 3 that are gonna be MTRs that are pleading out. I think they're gonna be all judgment sets, but I'm not too sure.
Yes, let me.
And there's gonna be one more. I didn't realize it. Adam Silguero? 571394 on the docket. I didn't realize that was a plea, but it's gonna be a plea.
Okay, because he has a new case.
No, he doesn't have the new case. It's Dukes. Tavon Dukes, the one that has the new case.
But Adam Silguero is an MTR.
Yeah, but I think I got a email from Mr. Davidson, and I think it's gonna be a plea on the MTR.
What do you mean a plea on the
It's not
MTR?
a plea. I don't know how else to put it. I guess they're gonna revoke it, I guess, or I don't know what's gonna happen.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm
I'm like, I don't know how to put it, so I do plea MTR because I don't know how.
Oh, so they'll probably revoke it then, because
Probably, yeah.
that is what probation is asking. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so Tavion Dukes is he here?
No, it'll be at 1. It'll be.
That one's gonna be at 1 too?
Yes.
Well, which is it, 1 or 2?
No.
Or is it 12? 1, 2. All right, I guess we'll just go ahead and court will be in recess for, it is 9:49. Let's come back at 10:05 and see where we're at. Linda,
Yes, sir.
I show 6 pleas on the docket itself. Is there any additional that you have? not
Yes,
informed?
Dukes, well, Dukes is 1 on the very top, 539.
Yeah, I've got Dukes, I've got Silguero, I've
Yeah.
got McDonald
Uh-huh.
and Mangolo.
Uh-huh.
Then I have on page 3,
Yeah, Goose,
Gonzalez, Gomez,
yeah, him.
Gomeziane,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mendiola.
Mendiola.
Mm-hmm. Right, all of those, and then I have one that's an add-on, Margarito Rocha. You should have the plea list, but I'm gonna send you a revised one.
All right, why don't you send it to me so I'll just get ready for we go into the pleas at 1:30.
Okay, let me
We'll get 'em-
revise it
we'll-
real
we'll
quick.
Go right through them. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
let me revise it real quick and I'm gonna send it to you.
All righty.
Okay.
Case number, charge, attorney.
Yes, everything's on there, Judge.
All righty.
Okay.
Anton, you got something to report?
Sir, not very good. I talked to the state. They're willing to make a wonderful offer if my client would show up. Brianna Samiego.
Yeah. All right.
I don't
so
see her on
Manero
here,
is
Your Honor.
She's a failure to appear. You have 1 week to produce her.
Okay, thank you. Have a good weekend, everybody.
You too. Take care.
Hi, Judge, may I approach?
Morning. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I conferred on Mr. Stephen Buttram. His case number is 663-840.
Yes, ma'am.
And Your Honor, this is my first time conferring with the prosecutors in this case. Mr. Delco wanted a chance to review the case. We don't have, I don't know what he's going to do yet. He needs time to review it.
You also have a felony pending. I guess you know that. Well, you know what?
Yeah.
That's what I have a question. It says felony pending, 290th, 2002 CR 166. What the hell is that?
Let me check, Judge. I did not know he had.
But think about it, 2002, that's 20 years ago.
Right.
No,
I'm
Judge,
not seeing, oh, sorry.
no, it's not. I don't know why sometimes they show up when they're closed. I don't know, but they do.
Okay, so that is closed.
Mhm.
So it is not a felony pending.
No.
Well, it doesn't make sense because it's a 20-year-old case. All right. So as Brett, state needs, let's give them 30 days to consider whatever in the world they're going to do.
Okay.
Okay, so September the 15th, Rebecca?
Okay, that sounds great, Linda.
Okay. And what about on Jasmine Harris?
On Miss Harris, we're still waiting for discovery. It's Alamo Heights PD. So Daniel requested at the last setting, but it's still not in. We don't have body worn camera, 911, IDR, any photos.
Do you have an order for discovery?
Your Honor, I don't, but I can draft one.
Why don't you give me an order for it so we can build a little fire under somebody's fanny?
Will do, Judge.
All righty.
30
30 day, reset 30 days.
Okay,
Rebecca, same day?
that sounds good, Linda.
Okay.
And Judge, me and my clients be excused?
Of course, yes, ma'am. Have a good day and have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you,
Ms. Harris,
Judge.
Mr. Buttram, I'll be calling you, okay?
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Julie Pollock. The late
Morning,
Julie
Judge.
Pollock. Where you been, Julie?
I emailed your coordinator. I've been in on these Zoom since 8:30 this morning. Jail court, then mag court. Now I'm with you.
All
And
right.
I really appreciate, Judge, you having these hearings by Zoom again.
Well, you know, that Judge Alvarado had sent out a letter to everybody saying, hey, you know, the local health authority said that the infection rate is high. So she was highly recommending we go to Zoom. So, you know, I'm the last one to say no, because I'm 77. I've had health issues. I don't need to be imposing myself and getting myself sick.
I don't know if you heard my partner, Barry Hitchings.
I remember he got
COVID.
sick.
Well, he's still sick. He's still not back at the office.
Wow.
He was in the hospital for a month in a coma, and he's still got long-term effects from COVID.
Oh, wow. He really got it bad.
Yes, even though he's vaccinated, boosted, but he got it at the courthouse. I
No
warned
kidding.
him. I warned him.
That's bad.
It's
Well,
really
Julie,
bad.
what are you doing on Resendiz Martinez?
I would like to speak with the prosecutor on this.
You got it. You are scheduled to confer, Julie.
Thank you.
Make sure you say hi to Barry for me.
I will.
Julie, you'll be going to breakout room when?
Thank you.
Julie, have you lost weight? She looks like she lost weight.
She did.
Maricela Luna.
Yes, Judge.
How are you doing, Mia?
I'm doing okay, Judge. How are you?
How's the neighbor from Dennis the Menace?
He's doing good. How are you doing, Judge? You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing all right. My big brother gave me a scare last night. We're seeing how he's going to do after a while.
Oh,
His heartbeat got down to 50.
oh no.
Yeah, that ain't normal one bit. I told him, get yourself over to the ER.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what
Did he? He did, Judge? He went to the ER?
I hope so. I'm not sure yet.
Excuse me, if I may speak. My attorney went to breakout room 1. I was just wondering, like, am I supposed to go there as well?
No, unless he tells you, unless we tell you, you just relax and wait.
Oh, okay, appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Kelly Green. I'm
Kelly
present
Green.
on Frank Ramos. It's an old case from County Court 2. I'd like to confer, please.
What's the case number?
631431.
Linda, I don't see that.
What about 645247?
I have it
Let's
set
see.
for August 30th.
Oh, do you? For some reason, I got an email saying it was for today. Okay, August 30th.
I'll note that you're very early. Kelly.
Right, please do, please do.
Alrighty.
Doesn't
Take
happen
care.
often. Thank
Take
you,
care.
Judge. Have a
Stay
good
safe.
one. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Just, I'm gonna make a sweep through here. Christian Lozano. Christian Lozano. It is 10:01. Failure to appear. Olga Hughes. Olga Hughes. 10:01. Failure to appear. Jonathan Sustaita Cruz. That one is Luis Martinez's.
Mm-hmm.
It's interesting, but Garcia Obregon showed up,
Mm-hmm.
and so did Laura Gully,
Yes.
but this one has not shown up.
No.
Sustaita Cruz is 10:02, failure to appear. Then we have Daryl Bearfield. $10:03.
What about on the first page, Brianna Samaniego, Judge?
I have that as a failure to appear.
Okay.
Brianna Samaniego.
We have Sunny Middleton and Kenneth Bell on.
Armando Zertuche. Now, this one we have a special problem on. Attorney Ramis tells me that this fellow has got some serious mental health issues,
Mm-hmm.
and he's a danger to his parents, and he has told his parents he's going to kill somebody. But he's supposedly competent.
Oh, wow.
I ain't gonna run that risk. I'm gonna have him. I've got Jesse Gomez getting out there and visiting with Judge. I asked him to visit with Judge Oscar Kazin
Uh-huh.
regarding the mental health issue and what we can do.
Okay.
So we'll see what happens there. We're gonna make a note on that one. We're gonna do something by the end of the day on that, whether it's an issue warrant or not.
Okay. So we're not resetting it then?
Not right now. no.
Okay. All right.
Sunny Middleton,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good afternoon. How are you?
I'm all right. How are you doing?
Okay. Where you been this morning?
I've been in County Court 1 and County Court 14.
Yeah, they're all more important than me, I know.
No, sorry, but number 1 was live. I had to show up at live.
Hey,
No, we know you're the top dog, Your Honor.
okay, Mr. Brish has been available. Sonny,
Just so you know, I went
Linda?
live in your courtroom and the
Linda?
deputy told me.
Yes.
Linda, place Sonny in breakout with Officer Grabowski.
Okay,
Sunny, she's got some information she has shared with myself and with Kenny Delco that you should be and must be made aware of if you're not already.
Just so you know, Your Honor, I am, because I went live in your court and she had a little conversation with me before I came on.
Okay, so you've been made aware.
Yes, sir, I have. And if I could have a room with the DA though, that would be great.
Well, you don't need that. And if I wanted to make sure you were up to date on what's happening. Hey, it's the late Brian, what you call it? Public defender.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brian. How are you?
Polk, he's present. Your Honor, I was in mental health court.
I know you were.
Yeah,
I
thanks,
know you were
Judge.
tied up.
If I could have a breakout room with the state, Your Honor.
Okie dokie.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Linda, make it happen.
yes. Judge Julie Pollock is back.
Linda, can you tell me, oh, I emailed you and I think I called you Laura. I am so sorry.
It's okay.
Linda, can you tell me how many days he has in?
Sure, give me 1 second. One day.
Okay. And I do need to speak with my client.
Okay, give me 1 second and I will put you in a breakout room with him.
Linda, I'm gonna take about 5-10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna try and get a hold of Judge Huff regarding the mental health case I was referring to.
Okay, Judge. All right.
Hey, Judge.
Go back
Hey,
to,
Judge.
go back to 1 and I will put your client in there with you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Judge, this is Kenneth Bell. I'm back from the DA.
Yes, Kenneth, how can I help you?
We need a reset. They're still working on getting the offer.
DA working on offer. Okay, how about 3 weeks?
That's fine.
August 25th?
August 25th it is.
Okay,
Thank you. I also have another case. Give me a second. Let me give you a case number, but I need to get it set for a contested MTR.
okay, what is it?
There it is. Case number. Put a case number in there.
Linda, is Eric Olivares free to go?
Yes, we just reset his case.
Yes, 8:25, let him know. Please, thank you. Mm-hmm.
Has the court perhaps heard from my attorney? This is John Burwell, B-U-R-W-E-L-L.
Who's your attorney?
Oh, goodness.
Is it Adrian Perez?
Yeah.
It's Adrian Perez. I haven't yet. I'm gonna give him a call in a few minutes, okay?
Do I need
I'm sorry, you're breaking up, but if you're asking if you have to wait, yes, you have to wait till he appears.
Okay.
I heard it.
Mr. Burwell, if you can log off, then log back on because we are not able to hear you clearly. So log back off, then try and log back on. Thank you.
You know what? I'll contact you later on that Liz Leha case and get that MTR set.
Okay, that's fine. Call me later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh. Mr. Cavazos, how can I help you?
Morning, I'm late, but I'm here.
Okay, who are you here for?
John Costello, case number 673377.
Sure. Can I put you, did you want to be put in a breakout room?
Yeah, I need to talk to the DA. Yeah,
Okay, give me 1 second.
thanks.
Linda?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, on 684-520, Zertuche.
Uh-huh.
I have visited with Judge Yolanda Howe. She
Mhm.
says to transfer this case over to her immediately. They'll get him evaluated for psych care and medications, etc. I already called Jesse Gomez, his attorney. He's aware and very happy that we're trying to do something. So immediately transfer this over to Booker to his court, please.
Okay, I will do that.
All right.
Do I go ahead and give it a 30-day reset?
No,
No.
just transfer it immediately
Okay, all right.
and let them set it, do what they think is necessary.
Okay, all right.
Especially make a note that he did not show up.
Okay.
All righty. Anybody need to report to me?
Linda,
Yes, ma'am.
I need your help. There was a case that was heard. It was German Sanchez Gonzalez.
Uh-huh.
I need to know who was the attorney on that case. The case number is 644-016.
Joe Stenberg.
Do you happen to have his number?
Wait. What's he on? But that's for an MTR.
Yes.
I still show Joe, but I do have his number. Hold on.
It was Joe?
I guess. I'll have to get back with you on that one.
Okay.
Find me later and I'll get back with you on it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Judge Longoria,
Yes, sir.
I come back from conferring with Mr. and Miss Middleton. On cause number 679-474, Mr. Bryce is free to go. The state is not pursuing charges at this time.
679. That's the one we were talking about earlier?
Yes, sir.
Last one on page 3, Judge.
Right. So you're dismissing this at this time?
I will dismiss it pending further investigation, but as of this time, he has no further obligations to the state of Texas.
Thank you, Mr. Delco. Ms. Middleton, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Linda,
Yes, Judge.
on that file,
Mm-hmm.
make a note that it was dismissed under special circumstances that you and I, state and defense, were made aware of, okay? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye, Mom. Muy bien, ¿y usted?
Kenny, you have Mr. O'Donnell and Mr. Cavazos in breakout rooms.
I'll get with Mr. O'Donnell.
Linda, are you allowed to give resets or do we need to speak with the judge?
No, I can give you a reset. What can I help you with?
Okay, I need to do some more work on this case. And your Kenny Delco needs to reach out to his office regarding this case.
To the DA office, okay. We want 45 days,
That would be great.
okay, September 29th.
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm supposed to be in your court on the 28th. Would that
Okay.
work?
No, we can do that. That's fine. The 28th is fine.
All right.
Okay.
May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
It's good seeing y'all. Thank you for doing the Zoom.
Sure. Oh, okay. Mr. Martinez,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to come back on September 28th, okay?
Yeah, understood.
Okay.
Ms. Flores?
Yes.
I had some issue with my phone. It was beginning to heat up for some reason. While
Okay,
cooling it down.
You're still breaking up.
Okay, sir, just give us a thumbs up. Are you Mr. Burwell? John? Okay. So just please stand by till we hear from your attorney. Just be patient with us, please. Thank you.
And I have reached out to him. I left him a message. I'm just waiting to hear back from him. Dustin, how can I help you?
That one was Sunny's case.
I know.
Dustin, if you can hear us, you're free to go stay in contact with Sunny and she'll give you the update on your status of the case, sir.
Mr. O'Donnell, how can we help you?
Yes, Linda, I talked to Kenny and the state is asking, well, they need one more reset to have their advocate reach out to the complaining witness. We've provided proof of insurance coverage. So it looks like it may be dismissed next time.
Okay, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
On case 663626, Skylar Polk, Mr. O'Donnell, advocate to contact complaining witness. How long do you want me to give it?
It shouldn't take more than 2 weeks to do that. Brian, is 2 weeks okay?
I asked Kenny and I think he was asking for like 30 days.
Well, then we'll give you 30 days.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I have a breakout room with my client and then may we be excused after that?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
September the 15th, and I'll put you in a breakout room. Give me 1 second.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Brian, go back to 4 and I'll put Polk in 4 with you.
Thank you very much, Linda.
Uh-huh.
Did I hear Kenneth Bill reporting? Linda?
Yes, Judge. Um,
Didn't Kenneth Bill report?
yes, and he's already, I gave him a reset already. Hold on, I'll let you know.
That's all right. I just wanted, I had it
Adrian,
marked as
okay, Adrian Bettis is on, Judge.
Adrian Perez. What can I do for you?
Good morning, Judge. My client is John Burwell. He's logged on. I'd like to talk to him in a breakout room, please.
Make it so, Linda.
Yes, sir. I don't know how good his phone is right now. It might be cutting up, but let me try, okay? I'll put you,
Okay.
go to room 1, Adrian, and I will put your client in there with you.
Thank you.
Whenever they call me the doctor, we say like, hey, she's here.
Ms. Flores, I'm back. Can I get with the state, please?
Sure, give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Judge, did you get I sent you the, please? It's
Yes.
under revised. I sent another one out to you because I added another.
At the bottom,
It says revised, please, for today's date.
so there's not. Anyway, all right, what you got? The last one I have was Mendiola.
Yeah, but I added Adam Silguero, 571394.
at the bottom.
No, I put it in numerical order, but you can add them at the bottom if you want to your list.
571394 Silguero.
Silero, yes, 571394.
It's
It's on,
already in there.
okay, you got it? Okay, then you got the revised one. Okay.
All right. What's the story on Dukes? There's is there, what is it, MTEAG and a new case?
It's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be the MTR and then a plea, I think, on the new case.
There's gonna be two separate hearings?
No, it could be one, all at the same time.
All right, let's see where it takes us.
Mr. Cavazos?
Huh?
Announcement.
Mr.
Good morning,
Cavazos?
Judge. I don't know if you can hear me.
I can hear you.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
I am well. How about you?
I'm good. Thank God. So far, I've avoided the pandemic, and I'm hoping to keep it going.
Let's hope you and I both.
I'm here on John Costello, Judge. He's a transfer out of County Court 2. This is his first appearance before your court.
Right.
I've
know that.
conferred.
I'll give you your hearing on objection to the transfer.
I've had no objection to the transfer, Judge. I conferred with the state, and the state, given the circumstances of this case, is wanting me to put a mitigation packet together, which consists of a SASE evaluation and some proactive courses like the DWI education course and the victim impact panel. This case is going to be resolved, Judge. This is not a trial case. And the state is willing to work with me. I just need some time to get with my client so he can get all those things under his belt, and we can put that packet together for the state and see what type of outcome we can formulate.
All right. How much time are you asking for?
Normally it would be what, 30 days? I'm asking for a little more than that, maybe 50, 60 days, Judge, at the most.
Let's go with 50.
Got it.
Linda?
How about September 29th?
Let me look at my calendar because I have a trial in Fort Worth that month. Hang on. Judge, I'm sorry. I'm going to be out of town that week starting on the 28th. We can do, how about the 26th?
Okay, September 26th?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put it down for September 26th.
Okay.
2-6 or 2-5?
2-6.
All right.
That's a Monday, Judge. Is that okay?
I've got no problem with that.
Okay. And will that be Zoom like we're doing?
More than likely it'll be Zoom. If not, I'll let y'all know.
Very well. Thank you. My client is present. He's on the screen. I see him. Can we be excused, Judge?
Of course, Mr. Costello and Jaime, y'all are both excused until September 26th.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
Penny, I have Adrian Pettis in 6. Kenny?
Linda?
Yes, I think go back to 6, 8. Kenny just went to you.
Hey, Linda, he's not in there.
He just came out. Go back in.
Okay.
Okay, Linda, I'm back.
Okay, Adrian.
We're gonna get, I'm gonna file a motion for competency exam on my client. Me and the state have conferred, and depending on the results of that, we might just end up getting the case dismissed. So I'm gonna ask for a reset in order to do all that. And then my client has a bad connection, so I really can't hear him, but he does have my number, and if he can hear me, I'll ask him to send me a text message with a good email address for him, and we'll go from there.
Okay, since you're gonna file the motion for competency, right?
Mm-hmm.
How about 45 days? That would be September the 29th.
Okay,
Okay,
no problem.
okay.
Am I maybe excused?
Judge,
You're
Thank you.
excused.
Thank you both. Have a great day.
you too. Bye-bye. Miss,
Bye-bye.
Judge, Mr. Michael Collins is on.
Is that the late Michael?
Depends on what kind of late you're talking about, Your Honor.
Where you been, Mike?
Oh, I was stuck in a hearing since this morning, 9 o'clock in Guadalupe County via Zoom. I sent Linda a text message or an email.
Okay. What is my case number?
It's on Carol Lopez, Your Honor.
688-336, Judge.
Say again?
688-336, last, page 4.
There it is. What you got, Mike? What are you doing?
I'd like to confer with the prosecutor if you have one available.
I'm sure we do. Patricia, make it, Linda, make it so, please.
Okay, breakout room 1.
Thanks, Linda.
Mhm.
I'm sorry, Mija.
It's okay.
I have a wife named Patricia, had my coordinator named Patricia, so Patricia pops out pretty easy.
It's okay. Kenny, Mr. Collins is in breakout room 1.
Okay, I'm gonna see what Renee needs as well, because I think I saw his hand go up, so.
Yes, Kenny, I just wanted to verify the plea with you for 1 o'clock for with Misty Mangold. Was it JSAT, correct?
Okay, can you call me on my cell, because I'm not in the office because I'm sick, so we will talk before 1.
Okay, yeah, I'll give you a call, buddy. No problem.
Thank you.
Linda, I had a question on a side matter.
Okay,
I filed a motion to amend bond conditions because my client's in jail and they won't release him because although he made bond, the GPS, he doesn't have a place to go. So that's why they're just saying he can't leave because the GPS is holding him in. So I did a motion to remove the GPS.
what's the case number?
It's going to be 689657. And it was accepted today through e-file.
Motion to amend conditions. Okay, you can ask Judge right now on Zoom.
Okay,
Okay,
Yeah.
and let me go grab it.
all right, thank you.
689-657. Did y'all get a motion to amend?
Judge, may I approach?
You may.
This is Renee Munoz from the Public Defender, Judge. I ran into a situation where my client, I filed a motion to amend conditions of bond. He made bond on his case last week, but he hasn't been released because the magistrate judge ordered a GPS on him, and he doesn't have a residence where he can go to. That's what the pretrial bond officer is stating. They won't process him out for release because he doesn't have a residence, I guess, for the GPS. But the background behind this was he was at his mother's house where there was that no contact order because he was alleged to have fought with his brother. So, I mean, nothing too egregious. It was like a family brother fight. that led to his charge. But his family did post a $5,000 bond, but the pretrial office is saying they won't release him because he can't be compliant with GPS, I suppose. So this is also an individual we're working into getting into the mental health court. And he has been screened already. It's just he has mental health issues, Judge, and I don't think the jail is going to be the best place for him to get help.
Let's walk through this slowly.
Okay.
He's in ABI family.
He's ABI on bond with a
How
terroristic
much is the bond?
on the ABI.
Yeah.
6,000.
6,000, but that bond is good. He got picked up on violation of protective order on July 25th, and it says on the system that his bond was made in the amount of 5,000. I was kind of wondering to myself why he hadn't been released, and then I contacted the pretrial office, and they said that since GPS was ordered, but that he didn't meet criteria for GPS because
okay. So where was he living when he was arrested?
At his mom's house.
And he can't go back there?
He can't go back there. As per the magistrate judge put the condition that he couldn't go back to his mom's house because that's where the fight usually occurred with his brother.
What does the mom and brother say about that?
The mom wants him to get help and treatment, but the mom stated that he could stay there. And the brother is of the opinion that he needs mental health treatment too. But when I spoke to the mom this past week, she was crying hysterical, saying that she just wants her son out of jail and that she doesn't know why he wasn't out yet. But
so
that
we get him out of jail and he goes and kills his brother. How's she gonna like that?
No, I don't think that was a situation. The underlying facts, Judge, were it was basically a scratch on his brother's face. But I am working on getting into mental health court so he can get set up with treatments with the Center for Healthcare Services. I met with him. He doesn't have a violent history other than this charge, but it was more so him fighting with his brother, Judge. It wasn't anything malicious. I believe it just may have been a sibling kind of thing. But his mother did state that he could reside there. If not, I can try to get him into Haven for Hope. But and it's my opinion that people with mental illness, the jail just makes them worse before allowing them to get better.
I know, but I got to protect his brother too.
Yes, Judge, and I can reach out to the brother and see his attitudes towards it, and then I'm going to come back at 1 for a plea. So maybe, as an officer of the court, I will represent everything he tells me, whether he's in fear for his safety or whether
Makes
it's
sense.
just
Check that out for me.
isolated incident. Yes, sir. I'll give him a call. I know the mother's good with him residing there, but I'll double check with the complainant brother to see his attitudes towards it.
Let's find out.
All right. Yes, sir. I will do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, Michael Collins is back.
Mike?
Your Honor, I spoke with the prosecutor. He's going to review the file more in depth to see if there's a possibility of a dismissal on this case. So he asked me to ask for a reset.
How much time?
I'd say 30 days at the most, Your Honor.
Gonna be running out of time, and if you want me to handle the case.
Yes, Your Honor. No, I think we could, one way or another, we'll wrap it up the next setting.
Didn't they give him a 30-day reset?
September 15th.
September 15th, got it.
All right, you and Mr. Lopez are excused, Mike.
Yeah, Ms. Lopez, did you hear that? You're September 15th, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms.